it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Whew. Today is a very exciting and big day for me. For the last year, I've been working very closely with Petite Cosmetics to create my very own palette. Like, oh my god. And so I've been keeping it hush hush for the last 12 months, but today is the day that I get to reveal the palette to you guys. My heart is beating so fast. I don't remember the last time feeling this nervous making a video. Okay, are you guys ready to see it? I am so nervous. This is my palette, Run Wild by yours truly, Tina Yong. And I have been hiding this baby from you for the last 12 months. Now in my past videos and photos on Instagram, I have worn these colors and a few of you asked me what color is that, what palette is it from, and I kind of just had to ignore you guys because I couldn't reveal that it was from this palette right here. So apologies for that, but today I am going to show you the contents inside. Okay, so when you open it up, it actually folds out twice like this. There's a big mirror at the top and you can see me on my monitor there. This is like Inception. And then we've got 12 highly pigmented shadow colors, 2 highlighters, and then a trio of coral blushes because coral is the color for 2019, and a light bronzing contour shade that I just dug my nail in. Oops. All up, there's 18 shades in my palette, and the highlighters and blushes and contour can be doubled up as eyeshadows as well. Now before I swatch the colors and show you how amazing the color payoff is, I want to share with you the overall process of creating this palette. Now I've been a huge fan of BH Cosmetics since the very beginning of my makeup career. I remember when I started makeup college, I bought their 120 eyeshadow palette. This was was it 8 or 9 years ago? It was a long time ago. Now being a student at that time, I didn't have a lot of money to spend on my makeup kit, so that BH Cosmetics 120 eyeshadow palette really got me through college. Now 8 years later, I've gone full circle and I'm here creating a palette with BH Cosmetics. Like, wow. I don't want to get emotional, but it's actually just so surreal, you know? It's a really big deal for me, and I am just so thankful because without you guys watching my content, I honestly wouldn't have gotten this opportunity. And so I just wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for just being there either from day one or if you're new and you're watching my videos now. I just want to say thank you for your time. Try not to cry. Hold it in, hold it in. I really hope you guys will love this palette as much as I do. I put in a lot of hard work these past 12 months to put everything together. I designed everything you see here, from the cover, the inside, the colors. And when I look at this palette, it honestly makes me so happy and just so proud of all the hard work I put in on my channel throughout my content, and that's landed me this opportunity here. Okay, let's get swatching, guys. Otherwise I'm gonna get so emotional and I'm gonna start crying on camera, which I don't want to do. The first shade is this bright matte yellow shade called Wild Child. You guys know that I love yellow eyeshadows. I've worn this color a lot in my looks. Then we've got Sky High, which is this golden metallic shadow. This one I love using on the center of my eyes just to add a little bit of highlight. Then we've got this bright matte orange called Juicy. I love using it with Wild Child, and I've done cut creases in the past. This next color is Dusk, which is a matte burnt orange. I like to use this on the outer corner of my eyes just to add a little bit of depth and dimension to my makeup look. Next to that we have Heat, which is this really beautiful cranberry red shade infused with gold glitter particles. Now it's not super glittery, but it does have a little bit of sparkle to it, and that's what I've got on my eyes today. Then on the end we've got a cool dark brown called No Limit. This is just a matte brown which can be used to create a smoky eye, or actually what I do is use it to set my brows. So that's the first 6 shades. Let's move on to the second row. We've got a matte hot pink called Hot Mess. This looks really nice as a wash of color over the eyes, or if you want to create a more three-dimensional look, you can add the next color, Lady Boss, which is this like matte burgundy shade on the outer corner of your eyes. So what I've done for my palette is I've tried to add in like a darker shade that's going to complement the lighter shade. So here we have Pride, which is a pastel purple. This goes really nicely with the next color, Rain, which is a deeper purple with a metallic finish, and it has a little bit of glitter in it. The next shade is a little bit out there, this light green shade called Avocado. It has a similar finish to Heat because they both are infused with glitter, and I love using this as a pop of color in the inner corner of my eyes. Then finally we have Cactus, which is this beautiful deep teal shade. It's pretty much the same color as the packaging on the inside of my palette. I like to wear this smoked out on my lower lash line. Then we've got my two highlighters, which double up as eyeshadows as well. So we've got Starlet and Luna. Starlet is more of a pinky highlight, whereas Luna is more golden. Now, if you like to mix, you can actually make a rose gold out of this if you mix the two together. So then you've got three highlighters, a pinky one, a golden one, and a rose gold. At the bottom here, we have the trio of warm coral blushes. Coral is the color for 2019, and so I have 3 different variations of it here. First, we've got Daydream, which is this really nice soft coral with a little bit of a champagne sheen to it. So when you apply it on your cheeks, it gives you a subtle glow. Next to that, we have Flaunt Er, which is more of a duochrome blush. This one is a little bit more pinky, and when the light hits it, you can see that it gives off a golden glow. Here we have Crush, which is a matte coral. This one is a little bit brighter than Daydream. It adds warmth to your skin, and I've actually used it today on my eyes as a crease color. And then last but not least, we've got Cocoa, which is named after my 3-legged Pomeranian cross Maltese. This shade is a light contour bronzing shade. I like to use it as an everyday sort of contour shade. I use it under my cheekbones. I like to contour my nose with it. This also doubles up as a really nice transition color on your eyes. So that is my palette, guys. What do you think? The whole idea behind my palette is I wanted to create something fun, something wild, something that's going to inspire you to get creative. And I wanted to include colors that maybe a lot of you don't have in your everyday makeup kit. Because BH Cosmetics is such an affordable, amazing brand, I just thought, you know, it would be nice for someone to pick up my palette and be like, you know what, I want to get creative. I don't have those colors. I haven't tried those before. And you can do so without breaking the bank. Now, my Run Wild palette is going to be available online at the BH Cosmetics website on the 19th of June. That's when it's going to drop, and it's only going to cost $24. Super affordable. You get 18 shades in here, including blushes, a contour shade, highlighters, and highly pigmented shadows. I am going to be uploading different looks that you can create with my palette, so be on the lookout. It's going to be on YouTube and my Instagram, so please follow me if you haven't already. And once again, thank you guys so much for just tuning into this video and sharing this huge career milestone with me. You guys honestly mean the world to me, and because of your support, I'm able to do what I love every single day, and I can't thank you guys enough. So I love you guys. Thank you. That is it for me. I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye.